Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Over 576 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we're doing some repairs today. Of course, our Vine Street happy hens are laying, and someone tried to get to the chickens, and damage the run. So I'm gonna take you out there today. And I did a video a couple days ago, so check out that video. This is a recap to that. So we'll be doing some repairs today, and I'm gonna show you kind of what I got here. And this is the new lock that is going on back there, and this is a combination lock. Okay, this is a combination lock that we're gonna use. And let's go to the back, and I'll show you what we got going on. And then I'm gonna head out to Farmer Bob's, pick up a tiller, check on the hens out there, and shut up, Earl! I'm trying to do a video. And then come back here and do some more work. A lot of work to do, and we're losing daylight. That is a tragedy. That is a tragedy, losing daylight, because we're running out of time. But I guess we all are running out of time, aren't we? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So let's go back up here. Earl, I'm trying to do the video. Okay, Earl's inside our tricked out cluck pod. So we made this right here. I'll talk about that on the channel, on the YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. So extension, our outdoor extension run right here. And as you can see, with someone hopped that fence and came over here and actually tried to pick this. And if you can look inside, you'll often see when they do that with some type of tool, you'll see some scratches around here. And my key actually couldn't fit in there. So I'm gonna have to cut this lock off right here and put that lock on. We're gonna slow them down. And then I added one right here, another rock right here, and we'll add another 2 cameras back here looking at the placement here on facing this direction. So we'll put one up here on my telephone pole, we'll put one right there, up there, 2 up there, and then we've got one over there and one over there, but I need a little bit better coverage over here on this side. And then we'll put a motion detection high lumen light on this side, so we get some pictures crystal clear. Of course, these are pretty smart though. Often when they come through the woods or come through the other side, they will actually have on a ski mask, and a lot of times you really won't you get their actual face. But again, this is a deterrent. Pablo the Farm Cat says hi. Pablo is Insta famous. Follow him on Instagram, the real Pablo. Pablo the Farm Cat got catnapped. We got him back. Check out that video on my YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Still looking for Tuxedo and Midnight, Pablo's brother and sister, who were also catnapped by the same person, and still looking for them. And you can follow all the updates. Right, Pablo? Right, Pablo? Pablo, all the updates at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Pablo had a big old can of Friskies. Was that Earl? If you don't shut up! Sorry about that. Okay. So, a busy day. We're losing light. I'll let you say hi to some of the Vine Street hens. You did it, Samantha! How dare you! You got me! You know what? You are going in timeout. I know what you want. You want one of these grubs. You want to eat out of my hand, don't you? Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh, look at the Vine Street happy hens. You didn't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, Samantha. I dare you to bite the hand that feeds you bit the hand that feeds you. You are so wrong. Don't look at me. You know what? You're going to freezer camp, Samantha. Freezer camp. Don't do it. Don't do it, Johnny. All right. So I'm having way too much fun out here. Vine Street Happy Hens, and they're laying some beautiful colored eggs, beautiful organic eggs. But that is another video. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell a friend. Live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives.